Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the vacancies released by PFRDA. So let's start the video. Friends, PFRDA, that is Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, has released the recruitment notification for officer grade A, that is assistant manager post. Here these posts are from various different streams like journal streams, finance and accounts, IT, etc. So let's discuss them. Friends, online application is already started from 23rd June 2025 and last date of submission of online application is 6th August 2025. Then your phase 1 online examination will be held on September 6, 2025 and phase 2 online examination will be there on October 6, 2025, and then phase 3, that is your interview, will be intimated to the successful candidate at the later date. Now let's talk about the number of vacancies. So friends, for journal stream there are total 8 vacancies, out of which 3 vacancies are for unreserved category candidate and rest are all for reserved category candidate. Here qualification asked as on 31st July 2025 is master's degree in any discipline, that is MCom, MBA, etc. is eligible, or bachelor's degree in law or bachelor's degree in engineering, or a chartered accountant or a company secretary or a cost management or a CFA is eligible to apply for journal stream. So everyone is eligible who are having postgraduate degree or bachelor's degree in law or engineering or CA, CMA, CS or CFA. Then for finance and accounts there are total 2 vacancies. Both are for reserve category. One is for SC category and one is for EWS category candidate. Qualification asked graduate from recognized university, and apart from that a chartered accountant, a company secretary or a cost accountant or a CFA, then only eligible. Friends, here they have specifically used the word ACA or FCA, so it means you need to have a membership number, then only you will be eligible. And here they have mentioned candidate who have appeared in the final qualifying examination and awaiting their results are also eligible to apply for phase 1 and phase 2 of the selection procedure. However, at the time of joining you need to produce the document, that is your qualifying certificate. Now age limit, friends, age limit mentioned is as on 31st July 2025 and a candidate should not exceed 30 years as on 31st July. So he should be born on or after 1st August 1995, then only he is eligible. Then there is certain age relaxation for reserve category candidate. You can check them. Mode of selection. Friends, your selection will consist of 3 stage. Phase 1 online screening examination. It will have 2 papers of 100 marks each. Then phase 2 again online examination consists of 2 paper 100 marks each. Then phase 3, that will be your interview. Now pattern of phase 1 online examination is also mentioned. So it will have 100 questions. Paper 1 will be similar for all the stream. It will be multiple choice question from your non-technical topics like English, quantitative aptitude, reasoning, general awareness, including some questions related to finance sectors. 25 questions from each section will be asked. 20 questions from each section will be asked, and maximum marks will be 25 marks in each section. So and 60 minutes will be given to you for your non-technical syllabus. Then paper 2 for journal stream will consist MCQ on subjects like commerce, accountancy, management, finance, costing, companies act, economics and pension sector. Then it will be of 100 marks and 50 questions will be there and 40 minutes be allocated to you. And if you have applied for finance and accounts, then paper 2 will be from your technical syllabus of finance and accounts. 50 questions will be there for 100 marks and 40 minutes will be given. So friends, here the number of time allotted is just 40 minutes. So mostly questions will be one liner or two liner. It will be easy for you to clear this paper 2. It won't be that much difficult provided you have studied enough for this exam. So like this 200 marks paper will be there, and there will be a negative marking to the extent of 1/4 for paper 1 and paper 2 in phase 1, and candidate need to score a separate cutoff in each paper as well as aggregate cutoff marks in phase 1 for shortlisting to the phase 2. Now based on your phase 1 you will be shortlisted for phase 2 online examination. It will be again of 100 marks and will have 2 papers. Paper 1 for all stream will be common. Here you will have English descriptive test. It will test your drafting skill. 3 questions will be there and maximum marks will be 100 and 60 minutes will be provided to you. So for per question 20 minutes will be there, and paper 2 will consist of your technical syllabus. For journal stream candidate, questions will be from commerce, accountancy, management, finance, costing, companies act, economics and pension sectors. And for candidate who have applied for finance and accounts, paper 2 will be your technical syllabus from the relevant subjects, and 50 questions will be there and 100 marks will be there, and again 40 minutes will be provided to you to answer all these questions. And again there will be negative marking to the extent of 1/4 in paper 2 in phase 2. So there will not be any negative marking in paper 1, that is your descriptive paper, no negative marking. If you write the answer, you will get some marks. And here they have mentioned paper 1 will be evaluated only of such candidate who obtained minimum qualifying marks in the paper 2. So they will test your English drafting skill only if you have cleared your paper 2, that is your technical syllabus, then only they will check your paper 1. And phase 3 is interview. Shortlisted candidate will be called for interview, and candidate may opt for interview either in Hindi or in English. Now service conditions and pay and allowances. And friends, successful candidate will go a training of probation for a period of 1 year. Now pay scale, friends, officer in the grade A will be in the pay scale of 44,500 to 89,150, and your gross CTC will be approx 1,57,000 per month, and will cover all the benefits, perks and perquisites of the company. Examination center, friends, phase 1 online examination will be held in almost all the major cities across all zones of the country, and your phase 2 of online examination will be held in selective cities of different zones. So like for western zone, only Mumbai, Ahmednagar, Jaipur is selected. So likewise only selected cities for the phase 2 online examination, and interview dates and venue etc will be communicated by them at the later date. Now application fee, friends, application fee for unreserved general, EWS and OBC category candidate is rupees 1000, and for SC, ST, PWBD and women category candidate is nil. Now how to apply? Friends, you have to apply through online mode only by visiting website of the company. Step by step process is mentioned. You can check them and apply for this vacancy accordingly. And in case you are facing any difficulty or required any clarification, you can write a query to them through the mentioned link. Now syllabus is also mentioned. For paper 2 for journal stream, it will be common syllabus for both the phases. So for journal stream candidate, paper 2 will consist of commerce and accountancy. In that, accounting as a financial information system, accounting standards, cash flow statement, accounting for share capital transactions including bonus and right shares, ESOP and buyback, preparation and presentation of company final account. Then questions from management will be there, like management nature, scope, management process, planning, organizing, staffing, role of a manager in an organization, then leadership style, human resource development, motivation, communication. So all the management related topics will be covered. Then for finance section, financial system, roles and financial function of regulatory bodies, so RBI, IRDA, PFRDA. So all the questions from there will be asked. Then financial market questions related to primary and secondary market will be there, and some general topics will also be covered, like basic of derivatives, forward, future, swap, recent development in financial sectors, financial inclusions, alternate sources of finance will be covered. Then questions from costing will also be there, overview of cost and management accounting, then methods of costing, single output, batch, job, contract costing, process, operation costing of service sector, etc. Then basic of cost control and analysis, here standard costing, marginal costing, very important topics, budget and budgetary controls. Then lean system and innovation, here introduction of lean system, JIT, Kaizen, 5S, TPM, etc. So all the important topics they have covered. Then questions from Companies Act, questions from economics will be there. Then questions from pension sector will be covered for journal stream syllabus. Now syllabus for paper 2 for finance and account stream, common for both the phases. Here your basic of financial statement, trial balance, balance sheet, cash flow, income statement will be covered. Analysis of financial statement ratios, then break-even analysis, Ind AS questions, standard on auditing, cost accounting concepts. Here basics is mentioned. So marginal costing, CVP, cost sheet, forecasting, then management accounting. Here cost of capital, capital structure, capital budgeting and sources of finance is covered. Then corporate accounting questions, business law, here 4 laws are asked: negotiable instrument, contract act, partnership act and company law. Then income tax act, GST, knowledge of IT and digital transactions. So basic questions will be covered for the IT, like data centers and all those related topics will be asked. Then financial system, roles and functions of regulatory body, financial market, here primary and secondary market questions will be there. Then general topics, basic of derivatives, forward, future, swap, recently development in financial sectors, financial inclusion. So it is covered almost in all the papers, general topics. Then alternate sources of finance, direct and indirect taxes, non-tax revenue, finance commission, fiscal policy, FRBM Act, etc. Then questions from inflation, then questions from economics, that is capital market, money market, micro and macroeconomics, etc. So decent topics are there, easily manageable. If you study, you will able to clear this paper 2 of your exam. So that's all friend. If you are meeting the eligibility criteria and qualification criteria, you can apply. Online application is already started from 23rd June and last date is 6th August 2025, and we at Finance MCQ will help you to prepare for your phase 2 of your examination by bringing practice course for both journal stream and finance and account stream. So do give it a try and apply for this vacancy. So that's all in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.